Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having a new video, a Christmas decor with me, and this one I'm really excited about this one. I have my little helper with me. She's also excited. She loves the holidays, especially Christmas. So today I'm gonna put up my tree and also have a little bit of cleaning and decor the living room, but also the dining room. And she's here, she's gonna help me. I'm so excited about this. So this is all my decor from last year, and I also went and get a little bit from Hobby Lobby and Big Love. It wasn't that much. I just added some, and yeah, so I lay all my Christmas decor on the floor so I can see what I need to use. Yeah, so this tree I just put up is the one I used from last year, and this one was very slim and I felt like it was a little bit small for the space. So later on you will see I want to get another tree, and that one was a fluff tree, and it's a little bit bigger, and I will change everything, put this one to the dining room, and I totally changed. You will see in the video how I decor and then I mix, change all around stuff because I wasn't sure at first, so I kept changing stuff all around. Yeah, so this one's gonna end up being the dining room, and then the new is gonna be at the same place where I'm decorating that one right now. But I love the way everything turned out, and if you just want to stick around and see and to the end of the video, you will see. And I hope you enjoy and like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe. And guys, let me know how many trees you guys have, because this year I'm having 2 trees in my home, and I like it. And you know, this year has been a remarkable year, and I still want to be in the spirit of the holidays, you know, with everything going on. So yeah, so I'll let you guys enjoy the video and before we move.
Decorations, wanna greet old Santa Claus when he arrives. Let the reindeer see the light of every Merry Christmas. Oh, we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas, a joyful cheer. A very Merry Christmas, oh, let me hear. Yes, very Merry Christmas without old tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Oh, very Merry Christmas. Oh, we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas. I keep showing every light, every soul from every friend that comes along. Very Merry Christmas to you. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas. Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas without all tears.
Alright guys, now as you can see, it was later on that day, and I went get the God tree and I put it up, and I love it. It's not really big, it's a 7 feet, and it fits well perfectly that space. And I think for even for the living room, um, it's, it's a pretty good size for that. So I really love it. And the other one, then I switched everything around, so I went to the other one to the dining room. And it fits perfectly, guys, as perfectly. So I just love it. Look the way it looks. I really love the way everything turned out. And yes, I changed again. I went change my outfit because I wanted, yeah, the other one was just better than yeah. So as you can see, I really love the way it's all in that corner to the dining room, and everything is just perfect.
Santa Claus, when he arrives, let the reindeer see the light. A very Merry Christmas, oh, we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas, a joyful cheer. A very Merry Christmas, oh, let me hear. Yes, very Merry Christmas without all tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Oh, very Merry Christmas, oh, we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas, I keep so near. Every light, every soul from every friend that comes along. Very Merry Christmas to you.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I woke awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero?
Alright guys, I hope this video gives you motivation, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and please share and comment down below if you like this video. Give me a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.